Hello and welcome. Today I will introduce the Feu Clever product line. The Feu Clever product line consists of two basic products, the firebox and the burner. With the Feu Clever lineup, we contribute to the fireplaces of the future. The Scandinavian design with the sleek details, with the glass and the brushed finish, we contribute to make this stylish design applicable into your home. Choosing a firebox is the easy and convenient solution for those of you who want to have this integrated fireplace into your home. The Feu Clever is combined when you take the burner and the firebox. These units comes in different sizes and you can combine them depending on the length that you want. So if you take a longer burner, you will also have to choose a longer firebox. The firebox comes in a lot of different designs. This one I got over here is a one side open, meaning of course it's only open from one side. We have also corner models, tunnel models, three side open panoramic where you can see the fire from three sides. We have a room divider and we have a four sided if you want to make a fireplace completely suspended from the ceiling and have this open cut in the middle. The Feu firebox is basically the frame for the Clever. This frame is the part that is to be built in the project. Then combine it with a burner and you have a complete unit. The Feu Clever burner is a completely integrated unit, meaning that inside this unit, everything that needs to be in there is just in this small box. Of course, the tank and the computer unit. The computer unit is taking care of making the experience of this product safe and secure at all times. When installing the Feu Clever unit, all it needs is a power socket. But bear in mind that it doesn't use electricity to produce heat. The heat production is simply from the live fire. So the reason it will need electrical power is simply to run the pumps and the computer. You use the pump for refueling and as well as the use of the product, the pump is going on to supply the burner with bioethanol. The Feu Clever computer unit can be controlled by the control panel, via remote, or by using the Feu Clever app. All these solutions are always included when choosing a solution from Feu Clever. The Feu Clever is easy to apply to both your existing home or to a new construction. The fact that the unit is using bioethanol means that you don't have to put in a chimney. That makes it very easy to put in an existing fireplace or just simply as a new construction in your existing home or your new home. When you want to fire up your Feu Clever, there are some easy steps that you need to follow. Now I'll show you how it's done. In the box for the Feu burner, you will find the burner, a hose for refueling, the power supply, two handles, the remote control and the user manual. First of all, you connect the fireplace to the power socket. Then you open the lid for the control panel. You take the hose and connect it to the tap. Put the hose into the bottle and press the blue button. Now it will automatically fill the fireplace until there is no more room. So you can safely leave it behind. It will not overfill. Now you're ready to turn on the Feu Clever. You can turn it on the control panel, on the remote control or in the app. When the fireplace is ready to ignite, it will put a little bit of bioethanol into the chamber and heat it up until it ignites. When the bioethanol is fully ignited, it will take 5 to 10 minutes for the beautiful yellow flame to show up. You can hear the pump starts supplying the chamber with bioethanol. Now you are able to control the flame. When regulating the flame size, it will change in width and not in height. You can control the flame from the control panel, from the remote or from the app. When you want to shut off the Feu Clever, you can use the control panel, the remote control or the app. Simply push once and the remaining bioethanol will burn up. Now the fireplace goes into cool down mode. The two included handles are for maneuvering the Clever unit around. Simply take the two hooks, place it on the side of the burner unit. Now you can easily lift the Clever burner in and out of the firebox. Depending on the error code, you will be able to take action on the situation. Even though if the burner simply runs out of fuel, it will give you a fitting code and you will be able to refuel and continue the use. On our website lefeufires.com you can find information and inspiration on the Le Feu Clever product line. You will be able to see all the different models and the variations that we supply. You can also find information on how to install it, and you can always contact us if you need guidance or advice.